It's happening again. I can feel it all over. When I search through these old metal pipes, the lead service lines, bones of the city left broken. Not everywhere, but in some places, it hurts. I'm being poisoned. It wasn't always like this. When they first built the city in the early days, it didn't hurt. Not until everything fell into disrepair, letting it rot, leaving large metallic sores on the water pipes gaping open. I don't know how much longer I can take it. I'm infected, and it's giving the world my sickness.
Strange taste.
I don't want it to hurt anymore.
What?
I'm making you sick.
Yes, you are.
You can hear me?
Yes. And I think that I can help. I often dream of bacteria, how they've been dealing with lead and toxins for billions of years. Shewanella, I see you. My marvelous marine microbe, dancing and moving underneath the microscope.
Hey there, you.
Hello, Shewanella, my favorite bacteria. Remember when you shook my world with your electrical appendage?
How could I forget? We had so much fun together. I had enough energy to charge a lot of things.
Yes, you gave me your beautiful 5 volts over 7 long days. But why am I thinking of you now?
I know you love how I can produce an electrical charge. So, I have a riddle for you.
A riddle?
What is like me, but cleans the wards the least?
Wait, Shewanella.
Kisses. Bye.
Wait, was the bacteria talking about Stuzterimonas? Stuzterimonas?
I'm here. You must be dreaming.
I think I am.
Listen, I don't do this often. I like to stay put where there's no oxygen. So you better have a good reason, because I got a lot left to do today.
You can filter metal contaminants out of water.
Can't the humans do this on their own?
You would think so. Not so much. Please, you obligate arrow, work with me here. The world is dying, you beautiful Stuzterimonad.
Fine. It would be possible. With Shewanella's electric charge. If we were to grab electrons from our food and transfer them to the anode of a battery, with our electrical appendages, we can
Transfer electricity
thereby reducing the lead ion.
to its soluble metallic form,
In the process,
creating an electrical current.
creating green energy.
It's simple. I get it now. The water chamber with bacteria creates an electric charge, and lead is removed from the other side, creating drinking water. The chambers can be separated by a thin wall, made out of something porous and capable of absorbing contaminants. If the water filter container is clay, separating the 2 water chambers, there's no plastic. What do you say, bacteria? Can you make it happen?
We already are.
Well, how do you feel? It came to me in a dream.
I think it's better now. I feel it hurts less. Are you taking the contamination out of me?
I'm trying. I think it's working. This is something in the future I think everyone can use.